This video I will explain Chrome DevTools. DevTools or developer tools is a set of built-in tools in the Google Chrome browser. It helps you to look inside any website and understand how it works. You can think of DevTools like an X-ray machine for web pages. With DevTools, you can see the HTML, check the CSS, test and change things in the real time, measure how fast the site loads and find performance issues, debug in JavaScript code. Now we will see how to open DevTools. There are three ways you can open. The first one is right click on anywhere on the page and choose inspect. The second way is use the shortcut. In case of Windows, Ctrl Shift I. In case of Mac, Command Option I. The third way is go to the three dot menu, click on more tools, then click on developer tools. Here I have opened Google Chrome and I have opened this website. Right click, click on inspect. And here you can see developer tools opened. Click on this, click on more tools, and here you can see developer tools. And here you can see the shortcut. Click on this and it opened developer tools. Now we will see key panels in DevTools one by one. The first one is Elements panel, which shows HTML of the page. You can hover over the elements to see which part of the website they belongs to. You can edit text, images or styles live and instantly see the changes. Here you can see the Elements panel, which is showing HTML of this page. Next one is Console panel, used for messages, errors and running small JavaScript commands. For example, if you type 2 plus 2 in the console, it will show 4. Here you can see the console which we have discussed. Type 2 plus 2 and it is showing the result as 4. Next one is Sources panel, which shows all the files the website is using, like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Developers can use it to set breakpoints and fix errors. Here you can see the Sources panel, which we have discussed. And here you can see it shows all the files used by this website. Next one is Network panel, which shows how and when resources are loaded. Resources can be images, scripts and styles. And it helps in finding why website is slow or if something fails to load. Here you can see the network panel and here you can see list of resources it was loaded and here you can see how much time it took. Next one is a performance panel, which records how a page runs in real time, and it is useful to check speed, animations and responsiveness. Here you can see performance panel, which we have discussed. Here you can see the memory panel. Next one is application panel. Using this, you can see the data stored by the website in your browser, like cookies or local storage. Here you can see the application panel, and here you can see in local storage what and all are stored. and in session storage what and alls are stored, and in cookies what and alls are stored. Next one is Lighthouse panel, which is used to run full website audit like performance, accessibility, and SEO, and gives you the score and suggestions to improve the website. Here you can see the Lighthouse, which we have discussed, and click on this to generate the Lighthouse report. Here you can see the report. Why you have to learn DevTools? Learning DevTools make you better at understanding websites, how they are built, debugging problems, finding and fixing errors, improving performance, speed and user experience, experimenting with designs before changing the real code. It is like having a Swiss Army knife for web development right inside your browser.